If you're in the market for a 4x4 and you're looking at a Range Rover or a Range Rover Vogue, it doesn't get much better. This Vogue SE in the beautiful Corris Grey with a full stealth pack, 2016 16 registration with 58,000 miles on today, with the live pricing is only 37,990. This car will have cost somewhere around £90,000 brand new, because it's not just any Vogue SE, it's the 4.4 SDV8, which is giving you around 339 brake horsepower, which is pretty quick really, because that's a big car. But it's the way it looks. It's a very high-end premium type of 4x4. All the finishing on the car, the gadget and gizmos, it's just full of it. And it looks tremendous. This car doesn't look like 37,990's worth. It looks a lot more because it was when it was new. So someone's looked after it, and I'll go through the features, but for me, the whole colour combination of the grey with the black styling pack just looks tremendous. It's an incredible looking car. So to start off with, you've got that huge front end. It's a big 4x4. It's a Range Rover. Road presence is key. You've then got things like the LED style daytime running lights with full xenon headlights. Headlight washers built into the bumpers. Front and rear parking sensors, and because this has a stealth pack, everything which is normally sort of chrome or silver has been de-chromed. So the inserts in the grills, the bottom section is all black. The full grille is in the high gloss black, and so is all the badging. As you go around, you'll notice this one's got the upgraded 22-inch turbine alloy wheels, which again sets this car off, because I always talk about it, and wheels can make or break a car. I've seen several Vogue SEs out there and other Vogues where they've got the 20s on, and yes, they're nice, but aesthetically, it just looks a little bit unfinished. They are far from that. With all the black stealth styling pack, they just look amazing. You've then got the side atlases done the same colour, which is the piano high gloss black. High gloss black window mirror covers, wind mirror covers even, and the window surround. Some protection glass, and because this is the Vogue SE, you'll see nice little finishing around the door handles, which has a nice metal finish to it, which is good. Fixed side steps, and then this has something called soft closed doors. So when your kids shut the doors, or you do, and you don't hit it hard enough or shut it hard enough, and it clicks, it'll softly close it itself, like your new kitchen. Just nice, and that means you're not having to go around slamming your doors. But then as you open the door, you've got that beautiful full leather, perforated seats, electric seats, multifunctional, so you can change all the lumbar support on it. But then as you look down, you'll notice the ambient lighting on the centre console, because that's quite a rare thing. A lot of the Vogues didn't have all this ambient lighting down there. Spec-wise, I'm just going to literally feature dump. Here we go. You've got, obviously, navigation, Bluetooth, onboard computer. You've then got the dual view screen, so that means that the passenger can watch TV while the driver is watching navigation. You've got heated seats, ventilated seats. You can pick the zones where you want the heat to go. Meridian sound system, electric memory seats, both driver and passenger. And if you looked up before, you'll have seen this one's got the tilt and sliding panoramic roof, which I'll show you in a few seconds. You've got a fridge in the centre armrest. It's just endless amount of extras. But then, for your family, friends and kids, this one's got rear entertainment. So with the rear entertainment, you have your Bluetooth headsets, which are here. Nice little touch. And the screens come on. You can watch your DVDs. This is brilliant, because I have kids and I know how important this is. This can make my life so easy, because when you're going away for a couple of hours or you're going down the country, up the country, this just keeps them quiet. It is amazing, and it's built into the headrest, nice and neat, and you've got your headsets. Rear passengers do have their own climate control and own heated seats there as well. 12-volt sockets, so they can add game consoles to the car and everything else. The centre armrest pops down, so if there is only going to be 2 passengers in the front and 2 in the back, you've got a lovely armchair feel. It just doesn't get much better than this. And then you have the full glass piece of the panoramic roof. The top section does lift up and slide all the way back, but it's the condition. The car's done 58,000 miles, but the back of the seats, the leather condition, fully fitted matte front and rear, which means the car's been kept in a particularly nice condition. It is amazing, all for 37,990. You wouldn't think it. The ambient lighting continues in the back and the door pockets, also in the rear, which I'll show you in a few seconds. But then you've got a black styling pack on the back, the Vogue SE badges, twin tailgate. This bottom section, you can sit on it, which is good because it takes your weight. But you've got a massive boot, and that's what the Vogue's all about. That is a humongous boot space. Put lots in there. The seats go down to create you a bigger boot. But you can't really want much more than this. Everything's colour coded, LED style rear lighting system, LED rear indicators, and going back to damage, because the car is a 16 plate car, you'd naturally expect the car to have lots of dents and scratches. Absolutely not, and you can see for yourself, it's a very well maintained, very well looked after vehicle. Just want to show you again, because it's important, because this is what you're paying for in the Vogue SE. The ambient lighting again, around the center console, in the door pockets there, and you've got a lovely piano black finish to all the door inserts, front and back. You've got the full digital cockpit here, push button start, and then you've got more here. Being the Vogue SE, you've got the heated steering wheel, and then this is my personal favourite, you've got adaptive cruise control. So cruise control is great on its own, but the adaptive cruise control means that when you set it, you can do 1, 2 or 3 car length in front of you, and as that car slows down, so will this one. As that car speeds back up again, so will this, up to the speed limit that you've set it. Paddle shift, voice control, stereo controls, everything is here at your fingertips. And remember, your navigation, everything else is there. The climate control is very easy to use, and the heated seats, hot and cold seats, you choose what you want. Twin cup holders, and again the finish of the hull, it just feels, when you're sat in a car like this, you can see why it costs £90,000 brand new, because it's amazing, literally amazing. More USBs, and the fridge is down there. The armrest for passenger and driver, you can lift and take out the way completely. And remember, which I love, that tilt and sliding panoramic roof. So what do you have? 58,000 miles, 4.4 SDV8, Corris Grey, with a full stealth pack, with an amazing amount of spec on it, for 37,990. Does it get much better? Absolutely not. If you're considering a Q7, a Mercedes GL, an X5, you'd certainly go, wow, that is a lot of car for the money. My name's Joe, my name and number's on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or WhatsApp, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, bye bye now.